How to log into the Scotiabank app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into the Scotiabank mobile banking application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to log into Scotiabank application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Scotiabank application here. And once you launch the Scotiabank app, you have to make sure to tap the sign in button here, and as you tap on sign in here, you can see what's your card or your username. So you can make sure to enter your username or your card number over here to log into your online banking. Now if you don't have digital banking, this is not about creating an account, but we are trying to log into the already existing mobile banking account. So you need to make sure you have already applied for it. If you have not applied for it, you can also choose to apply right away, or you can tap the continue option here in order to enter other details about your card and your account, and you'll be successfully logged in. This way you will be able to log into Scotiabank application on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.